toilet leaking water. Unbolted the toilet from the flange, took the nuts off, unbolted the water hose, took it off the back of the tank, lifted it up. That's what we got. Looks like the wax ring didn't really seat that well. It seated enough to keep it a couple years, but... Alright guys, for this one we're going to use the number 10 wax ring. And now we sit down for a second, let it seat. On that note, this bathroom is gross, and it's time to get out of here. This rental is disgusting. It ain't mine. Test run number 2.